Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, fuel efficient, and certified pre-owned. Features also include keyless entry, leather seats, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2016 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, HomeLink garage door opener, aluminum wheels, cruise control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.